Hi, welcome to this introduction and quick start guide on the SKC AirChek Touch sample pump. In this video, we'll cover functionality, how to change the flow rate, set a timed run, lock and unlock the unit, and what's included in the kit. When hiring the SKC AirChek Touch pump kit, the kit will include the AirChek Touch pump with rechargeable lithium-ion battery, a charging cradle and power supply, and a NADA certified calibration certificate. To power on or off your SKC Touch pump, press and hold the recessed power button. Once turned on, the home screen will show you your flow rate, pressure, time, battery, and temperature. To change the flow rate on your SKC Touch pump, ensure the pump is not running and tap the flow rate display on the home screen. The pump runs briefly and shows the flow rate screen. Adjust the flow rate using the up or down arrows or using the keypad. Verify the flow rate with a calibrated flow meter. Tap the tick icon to accept the new flow rate. To set a timed run, navigate to the menu and select Timed Sample. Enter the method specified flow rate and tap the tick to confirm monitoring. The pump will now run until the time elapses and then will automatically stop. Presets P1 to P4 can be stored for repeated runs. Select the profile setting you wish to adjust. Set the specified flow rate. If it's continuous or intermittent, then set the runtime total duration. Select Yes, and then enter the start time you wish the sample to start. To confirm, press play to run. To lock or unlock the unit, tap the lock screen soft key to enable screen lock. Unlock by entering 1234, which is the default PIN. Thanks for watching our overview video on the SKC AirChek Touch. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to your local AirMet team on 1-800-000-744.